Assalamualaikum class. Here is symmetry elements and symmetry about symmetry terms and the association with it. We will discuss about the terms and the symmetry association. Basically, symmetry is considered as a beauty, regularity, periodicity, and systemization. And in geometrical objects, we consider as a molecules. So examples हैं, here is all the formulas through which their framework and their crystal structures and how they organize to make a full crystal system. So now we discuss it. Now some geometrical objects may be oval, triangle, tetrahedral and circular, star shape, pentahedral, pentagon, hexagonal, all. These are some effects which are basically not objective of the chemistry point of view. And here's the question is how to quantify these beauty aspects, and the answer is symmetry elements and the operation. Now you can see here the symmetry elements basically is geometrical entities just like plane, axis of rotation. Rotation means circular rotation. Center of inversion, it's basically is a point through which a symmetry operation can be performed. A molecule basically symmetry element. If the operation leaves the molecule, look at its nothing has changed. Then even through the atom and the bonds may have moved, the symmetry operation produce a superimposable configuration, an equivalent or identical configuration. Mean to say that after symmetry, the structure, angles and outer look of the element formula and the elements will remain same. Just like that, a clock, 12 o'clock, after again first rotation 360 degree centigrade, again 12 o'clock the symmetry will be same. There will be no change, but there is a rotation of 360 degree. Okay, now next, symmetry elements is the basic page of the symmetry elements. Four elements हैं इसके basically. Symbolical representation is E, Cn, sigma and I. I stand for inversion, sigma for reflection, Cn for rotation by 2 pi over n. 2 pi over n mean 360 degree divided by how much diameter rotates, and identity mean E. E identity mean कि if structure is cubical, then it has its identity is called as a E. If other elements are absent, then a one identity is one. First you can say one symmetry operation remain always with a one element, which is called as a symbolic representation E, and the symmetry operation identity. If C absent, reflection absent, inversion absent, lekin identity will be remain for all the elements. Elements mean n-fold axis, mirror plane, center of inversion, n-fold axis of Sn and improper rotation. Elements की जो rotation होती है वो 3 होती है. n-fold rotation means 360 divided by 2 180, 180 divided by 2 90 degree, 90 degree divided by 2 45. This is called as the n-fold axis, just like a folding of a paper. In a circular paper, if you fold, that first fold will be the 180, then again 90 and 45. This is called as the n-fold axis mirror plane, center of the inversion. And n-fold axis of इसको हम कहते हैं Sn. n-fold axis जितने टाइम भी हम उसे करेंगे हम होंगे Sn. ये improper रोटेशन के लिए होगा. प्रॉपर रोटेशन के लिए जो है वो n-fold, and improper रोटेशन मीन कि if the angle is not 360 and 360 का n-fold divided by 2 will be 180. 170, 175, 176, these are not a proper rotation, then this is called as a Sn या improper rotation. N-fold rotation mean in which 2 pi divided by n formula is applicable, and improper rotation mean all except angles which are involved in it. Now next, first of all, identity. All molecules have their identity. Wherever जो भी molecule होगा उसकी identity must है. This operation leaves the entire molecule unchanged, and highly asymmetric molecules such as a tetrahedral carbon with a 4 carbon group attached has only identity and no other symmetry elements, and it has signifies operation of doing nothing. It is therefore for the mathematical reason कि group theory mean to say that कि some chemists जो है वो consider करते हैं कि जो आपका एक molecule है उसमें अगर other symmetry elements present नहीं है, just like improper rotation में you can see here the diamond. I give the example of a diamond in which carbon bond is 4 carbon combined with each other to form a tetrahedral structure. ठीक, तो इसमें जो है वो आपकी अगर ग्लास की अगर हम देखें तो ग्लास में जो वो इम्प्रॉपर है, उसमें कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. तो आइडेंटिटी मीन के किसी भी एक एलिमेंट जो आपस में यूनाइट कर रहे होते हैं, टू बॉन्डेज जो होती है उनकी, वो उनकी आइडेंटिटी है जो उसको एक सिंबॉलिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे रही है. जैसे कि हम वाटर को मॉलिक्यूल को H2O कह रहे हैं, तो ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन एंड सेकेंड हाइड्रोजन के दरमियान जो बॉन्ड है वो एक बेसिकली प्रॉपर है. उसकी तो अलग आइडेंटिटी के साथ इन्वर्जन भी हैं और सम एंगल्स भी हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई मॉलिक्यूल जिसकी कोई अदर एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, वो उनकी आइडेंटिटी ई इज़ कॉल्ड एज इट्स सिग्निफिकेंट उसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन होती है ई. Now going to the n-fold axis of rotation. N-fold axis of rotation mean ammonia has a C3 axis, and there are two operations associated with the C3 axis: rotation by 120 in a clockwise or a counterclockwise direction. Counterclockwise mean right side direction, and anti-clockwise mean opposite side direction. Provide two different orientation of a molecule. It means कि अगर वो right side पे rotate करेगा या left side पे rotate करेगा, then its orientation will be different. एंड अमोनिया C3 एक्सिस मीन कि आप 360 को 3 से डिवाइड कर दें, तो जो एंगल आएगा उस एंगल से जो है वो एन फोल्ड रोटेशन होती है इसकी. एंड इसमें जो है वो टू ऑपरेशन एसोसिएटेड हैं. एक C3 एक्सिस रोटेशन बाय 120 इन अ क्लॉकवाइज और अ काउंटरवाइज डायरेक्शन प्रोवाइड द डिफरेंट. इट मीन्स के सेम ऑपरेशन ट्वाइस टाइम मीन कि फर्स्ट टाइम C3 ऑपरेशन होगा तो फर्स्ट इन्वर्जन होगी, सेकेंड टाइम होगा देन इट विल बी गोज टू इट्स ओरिजिनल स्टेट, and this is called as a symmetry. If C3 first time a question is that why only C3 one operation why not exist. If only one exists, then you can see here that its orientation is changed, but when again C3 operation, after two operation, the elements will be at their original position which will they were exist. It means at the start of the point and the end of the point should be the same. So after two operation, these original state will be gained, and rotation will be at 120 degree centigrade, 120 degree clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now rotate benzene molecule with 60 degree perpendicular to the molecular plane. C6-1, C6-2, C6-3, 4, 5 and 6. 6-1 में जो है 2, 3, 4, 5 तक जो है वो आइडेंटिटी में नहीं है, बट C6 एक्सिस जनरेट्स ओनली 2 जीनियस C6 ऑपरेशन अदर देन सीन. यानी इट मीन्स कि एट द स्टार्ट एंड आफ्टर 6 operations it generates the first C6 same molecule. So you can see here 263, 2C3 and 1C2. ये generation है in between these operations. When you go with a practical point of view, so you can cut या you can rotate similar way in the rotation at 360 degree to first time, then again, then at least 5 time, and then 6 time will be it at the identity. It will be it's the general 1 2 3 4 5 6 and after again first. Understand? मीन आपने फर्स्ट से 6 तक आना है तो वो थॉरली पहले 1 2 3 4 5 स्टेप्स और आफ्टर 5 स्टेप अगेन 6 पे आएगा. तो इट मीन्स देयर आर बेसिकली 5 ऑपरेशन बिटवीन दिस. Now molecule may contain several axes. Higher order axis is known as a principal axis. Say for the example in the boron trifluoride molecule, जो आपका first होता है rotation may be in the 1 and the 3 and the 6 and the 9, all multiple ways. How? C3-1 mean only one time rotation. C3-2 mean 2 time rotation. 3C2 will be the same effect as the C3 square. It means कि just like के 120, 120 and 120 will be equal to 360, and you can also divide it into a 90 degrees sections to make the total 360 rotation. हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर एक्सेस जो है वो मॉलिक्यूल का जो होता है वो जस्ट लाइक क्लोरोमीथेन है, फेरो साइनाइडाइन है. इनमें ये जो आप ये एक्सेस देख रहे हैं आप here is basically molecule of the ferrocyanide ion. Here is only the cis and trans, you can say it's basically the cis and the trans molecule. These methane they have only one type of rotation, in which identical molecule will be appeared after the one rotation. Also the example of 18 crown 6 and biphenyls. What is the mirror plane? The reflection of a water molecule in either of its two mirror planes results in a molecule that looks unchanged. It means कि जो उसका if water molecule, if you look the water molecule, it can be cut into a two identical parts, just like that oxygen hydrogen. So it is basically the symmetry, and you can say it's the mirror image of it. So that if you here is a line, and this line provide the idea about the water molecule that it has the identical shape at both sides, and this is called as a mirror plane. And the plane of reflection bisects the molecule into equal halves, and this operation is called as a sigma. And this is basically mirror plane, and if it doesn't cut then it has no the mirror plane. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कोई हर मॉलिक्यूल की जो mirror plane हो. जो मॉलिक्यूल आइडेंटिकल होते हैं they give us the mirror plane. And vertical एंड जो आपकी मिरर प्लेन है वो भी जो आपकी रिफ्लेक्शन है वो आपकी वर्टिकल एंड द सिमेट्रिकल वे में जो है वो उसकी पोजीशंस होती हैं. रिफ्लेक्शन ट्वाइस बाय द सेम प्लेन ऑफ कोर्स गिव्स ओरिजिनल कॉन्फिगरेशन. जस्ट लाइक प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री और मिरर प्लेन डजंट जनरेट नंबर ऑफ सिमेट्री ऑपरेशन, एज इट इज़ ऑब्वियस के जो आपकी सिग्मा 1 है वो सिग्मा के बराबर है, सिग्मा 2 जो है वो आइडेंटिटी के बराबर होगा, सिग्मा 3 जो है फिर सिग्मा के बराबर होगा, सिग्मा 4 इज इक्वल टू ई. ये मैं आपको प्रीवियस स्लाइड से थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. यू कैन सी हेयर दैट इफ़ हेयर अगर आपकी जो है यहाँ पर रोटेशन भी हो और मिरर प्लेन भी आप देख रहे हैं, तो व्हेन इट इज़ चेंज इट्स पोजीशन फ्रॉम हेयर to here, just like it's invert. When it invert, then you can see here the mirror plane will be also a change, and the first image and the second image is change. Now again reflection, again a turn, then it will be at its original position. This is called as you are reflecting twice by the same plane, or course give the original configuration after it. तो जो सिग्मा n है, n is basically how much time it is mirror imaged. Whenever symmetry operation is considered, identity and their whole elements are also considered side by side. If sigma n is equal to odd and sigma n e, if n is even. N even mean if 2, 4, 5, 6, then sigma n will be e. How? Because after 2, after 4, after 6, they have give the similar their original position. But if odd, then it is not possible for it to retain its the original position. It means 1, 2, 3, you can see here it's not the identity. But if it's 4, then identity. 5, it's only not, it's basically is the mirror plane, it's not the identity here. So if you can increase the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so on, then even पे जो है वो आपकी identity create होगी, otherwise it will be not. Now type of the mirror plane, there are vertical plane of reflection, horizontal plane of reflection, and a dihedral plane of reflection. You can see here the vertical plane of reflection mean from previous slide this is called as a vertical, ठीक है, and this is horizontal, ठीक है. And horizontal mean के x axis and second one is on y axis. It means that you according to the plane of reflection, this is vertical and horizontal. And dihedral mean के एक just like a surface, again this one dihedral. So benzene ring has a C6 axis and its principal axis of rotation the molecular plane perpendicular to the C6 axis, and this is denoted as the horizontal plane. Horizontal mean you can see there in benzene three types of mirror plane: horizontal plane and dihedral plane and the vertical plane, all are present. Here is the x-axis, here is the y-axis, and dihedral mean between the x and the y-axis जो भी आपकी लाइन होगी it will be the again dihedral. नाउ एक्सिनॉन की एग्जांपल है यहाँ पर. इट्स बेसिकली यू कैन डिवाइड इट हाउ मच टाइम एंड हाउ इट गिव द मिरर इमेज इन द टाइप ऑफ द plane. Here is basically is the elemental point of view. First of all is the center of inversion, center of symmetry, and the inversion operation projects जो है basically atom का है center of inversion से and across to the other side of a molecule. It basically is symbolized as a eye. Inversion mean invert करना. इन्वर्ट यानी सेंटर ऑफ इन्वर्जन जो है हम उसको जो है वो इन्वर्ट अगर करेंगे तो आपके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं दे बेसिकली 1 2 3 4 5 6 मॉलिक्यूल्स change each other. Inversion center will proceed to identify center of symmetry as the following. Choose a center within the molecule, draw lines of direction where the atoms are located, and if the same atom is equal in opposite direction is seen to true every situation, molecule possesses a center of symmetry. Center of symmetry mean कि identical parts में आप उसको divide कर सकते हैं. This is called as the inversion center. Inversion center mean कि at the point, if you can see here, this is the inversion center because you can see here the CLH and Cl and H have the same configuration. If it is in the cis, this is basically the trans. If they are in the cis, then this is called as the center of inversion. Identify the molecule which contains point of inversion. यहाँ पर जो है वो आप point of inversion में दिखाते हैं. Here is the point of inversion, here is the point of inversion, and here is the point of inversion, and here is the point of inversion. So these molecules and examples are basically in the exam point of view that you have to be checked it out. Now improper rotation पे आ जाते हैं. Now what is the improper rotation? And improper rotation is basically rotation in which reflection perpendicular to the axis of rotation, and just you can see it Sn is equal to Cn and I and Cn. Both the independent symmetry operation commute essentially Cn perpendicular to the mirror image tool. You would say that here is C4. What is C4? 360 divided by 4 and is equal to basically 360 divided by 4. This rotation will be here, and this is your symbolical representation of the operations. This whole picture basically is the representation of the operation. Okay, first of all you give the definitions, second examples. Now this is basically is the symmetry operation. C4, these are basically molecules which are united with it. When it's C4 operation, after C4 operation this is this, and from here you can see here is the dihedral. If you perpendicularly you can cut the mirror image from the center, and here you can see there's two operations here, C4 and the sigma H. Sigma H is it's basically hydral जो है वो इसका है, और C4 इज इक्वल टू यानी 4 टाइम इसको जो है वो हमने कट किया है. या सिमेट्री जो 360 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 है, इसको हम Cn भी कहते हैं, Cn. Improper rotation, staggered configuration of ethane has a S6 axis and goes through the both carbon atom. S6 is not Cn. Cn mean proper and Sn mean कि अगर S6 2 4 है, it's not the proper rotation. It means not angle the similar 360 180 360 180 45 and all other जो 360 divided by 2 से हम angles जो है उसको generate करते हैं. Now S1 axis doesn't exist. It is the same as the mirror plane. Sometime S1 is equal to C11 is equal to the S1. Sigma 1 is equal to E, and the sigma 1 is equal to sigma. How can you say that? If you rotate the molecule and same situation is generated, then आपकी जो rotation होगी वो only one exist करेगी, या वो S1 कहलाएगी या C11. C11 exist नहीं करती, that's why उसको हम S1 कहते हैं. इसी तरह से sigma 1 जो है वो exist नहीं करती, उसको हम E ही बोलते हैं. इसी तरह से sigma 1 जो है वो sigma के बराबर भी होती है if they are odd, और अगर even है तो हम उसको E के बराबर बोलते हैं. It means कि आप एक रोटेशन जो है वो more than one time भी हो सकती है. जस्ट लाइक अगर 180 डिग्री है तो हम उसे 290 डिग्री में भी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. समझ आए कि अगर 360 डिग्री हम ले रहे हैं, जस्ट लाइक दैट कि दिस इज़ द 360 डिग्री होल रोटेशन. ठीक, दिस इज़ बेसिकली 180. यू कैन सी हाफ पोर्शन इधर, हाफ पोर्शन इधर. अब इस हाफ पोर्शन को जो है हम 2 आइडेंटिकल 90 डिग्री में भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं कि 90 + 90 इज इक्वल टू 180. ठीक, तो बट हम प्रॉपर रोटेशन लेंगे. प्रॉपर रोटेशन वो होती है जिसमें ये वो आपका इनिशियल एंड द फाइनल हुआ है. फाइनल इनिशियल कहाँ से हुआ है? 360 एंड द 180 पे. 90 आर बेसिकली इट्स नॉट द ओरिजिनल, and you can see here that 90 degree rotation are its sub rotation, not the first rotation. here are the some other examples of it. And improper rotation, likewise S2 axis and the reflection, now identity, and all the simply grammar operation of the following molecules, just like water में जो है वो E है, identity है, C2 मीन केस में 180 डिग्री की रोटेशन होती है, सिग्मा V मीन केस में जो है वो वर्टिकल जो है मिरर प्लेन है। इसी तरह से अमोनिया में E है, C3 है एंड 3 सिग्मा V है। दिस इज़ द मेन पॉइंट जो आपने करना है कि आपने किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल आपको जो दिया गया होगा आपने उसको सिमेट्री एलिमेंट्स बताने हैं। दीज आर सिमेट्री एलिमेंट्स कि आपने पहले बताना है कि उसमें आइडेंटिटी है, उसमें बेसिकली CN कौन सी इन्वर्जन है, और इसमें जो डाईहेड्रल मिरर प्लेन है वो कौन सा मिरर प्लेन है। 4 जो एलिमेंट्स मैंने आपको बताए हैं, आपने किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल के 4 एलिमेंट्स को डिस्क्राइब करना है। यहाँ तो सिर्फ सिंबॉलिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में दिया हुआ है, बट इन एक्चुअल जब रिटन फॉर्म में आप लिखेंगे तो आइडेंटिटी का आप लिखेंगे कि NH3 मॉलिक्यूल एज आइडेंटिटी, फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी इज कॉल्ड एज NH3, ठीक है। C3 मीन के 360 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इट हैज़ दीज एंगल्स, ठीक। 3 सिग्मा V को आपने एक्सप्लेन करना है कि 3 टाइम मिरर इमेज वर्टिकल वे में जो है वो किस तरह से जनरेट हो रहा है। यू कैन आल्सो एक्सप्लेन इट फ्रॉम द स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड द प्लेन्स, एंड दिस इज़ द बेसिक योर task. Here is other example of BF3. This is your exercise, and this is the symmetry, basically symmetry summary points. So you can read it, and I think it will be helpful for your starting symmetry. Tell me after this. Thanks.